Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will also learn the classification of matter. What is matter? Matter is anything that has some mass and occupies some space. For example, everything that is present around you is known as matter. Air, water, book, rocket, milk, etc. हर वो चीज़ जिसका कोई ना कोई वज़न होता है जो स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई करती है is termed as matter. For example, air हमें नज़र नहीं आ रही बट इट हैज़ सम मैस एंड इट ऑल्सो ऑक्यूपाई स्पेस. फॉर एग्जांपल हम सिलेंडर में फिल करवाते हैं 1 kg 2 kg, तो इट मीन्स गैस का एक वज़न होता है, ये भी मैटर ही है. मैटर कैन बी डिवाइडेड इनटू सब्सटेंस and mixture. What is a substance? A pure form of matter is known as a substance, but if impurities are added into it, then it will be termed as mixture. Simply, अगर matter pure form है, it will be known as substance, but if impurities are added into it, then it will be termed as mixture. We can also differentiate them. Next, what is meant by physical properties and what are chemical properties? All those properties which are associated with the appearance of anything. For example, its color, smell, taste, hardness, shape, it will be known as physical property. For example, water की smell क्या है, water का taste क्या है, तो it will be considered as its physical property. Water is colorless, it has no odor or smell. But chemical properties depends upon the composition of a substance. For example, the formation of water. Hydrogen gas and oxygen gas combine together to form water. तो इसकी composition में हाइड्रोजन एटम ऑक्सीजन एटम कंबाइन होते हैं, वाटर H2O बनता है. इसकी एक स्पेसिफिक कंपोजिशन है, तो ये वाटर की केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ होंगी. फॉर एग्जांपल, कार्बन को अगर हम कोल को बर्न करते हैं इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस बनती है, ये केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी है इसकी. सो हियर इज अ फ्लो चार्ट. मैटर कैन बी डिवाइडेड इनटू मिक्सचर और सब्सटेंस. मिक्सचर that is impure form of matter and substance pure form of matter. In our next classes we will further discuss the subdivisions of substance that are element and compound, and types of mixture that are homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Our today's topic was only some basic definitions of matter, mixture and substance. The assessment questions will be: define matter and substance, differentiate between physical and chemical properties. Allah Hafiz.